Do you know what does halal means? The word halal is an Arab word means it is allowed or permitted by law. In economics, there is a market called halal market. Halal market is a market that produces goods and services that follow the Sharia according to Al-Quran and Al-Sunnah. Halal market has extended to various scope including cosmetics and pharmaceuticals, toiletries and medical devices as well as service sector components such as logistics, marketing, print and electronic media, packaging, branding and financing. In Malaysia, halal economy has been developed for a long time because the majority of the people in Malaysia are Muslims. It also has extended to various scopes. It has been driven by increasing consumer awareness and an entrepreneurial eye for new market opportunities. In order to make Malaysia as an international food hub, Malaysian government has decided to implement some policies, decisions, and plans to make it become a reality.
There are some challenges that occur in halal economy in Malaysia. Firstly, there are two things to be considered before producing halal product, which are the substance and the process. It is very important that haram substance such as alcohol did not include in any of its preparation, production, and storage that consumed by Muslims, as it is the rule to meet halal requirement. Secondly, Malaysia also lack of halal raw materials from our own country, especially meat products. Malaysia gain meat from Australia and New Zealand, as we know that these countries are the major source of quality halal meat. Besides, 70% of raw materials for food processing being imported, such as meat, we can see that about 30% Malaysian people consume local raw materials. Furthermore, provide an understanding of the concepts and laws of halal to Muslim and non-Muslim entrepreneurs. This is because some of the entrepreneurs openly use statements like halal guaranteed, Muslims made, Bumiputra product, and also pork or alcohol free without receive confirmation from JAKIM. Hence, JAKIM must oftenly do analysis, observation, and on-site inspection to every premises to ensure that all the premises got JAKIM clarification and not done by the third party to issue the halal logo. Do you know about the current issue happened in Malaysia? So, the current issue happened lately is about the scandal of cartel meat. It's already 40 years that people in Malaysia, especially Muslims, consume this meat product which they are genuinely believe that it is halal certified. It has been exposed that senior government officers are working illegally with a cartel to smuggle non-certified meat into Malaysia. The actions of these officers have put Muslims' health, protection, and religious aspects of the nation at risk.
Into the meat cartel is not being carried out by the Islamic Development Department of Malaysia, JAKIM. JAKIM Research Division Director Datuk Dr. Sirajuddin Suhaimi said that in a Facebook live broadcast entitled Halal Certification SOP, What Went Wrong on Monday. He noted that other government agencies were looking into the matter and called on the public to wait for their findings.
Policy in halal food beverage. First is implementation of Malaysia Halal Certification. JAKIM, also known as Department of Islamic Development Malaysia, has emphasized its structure to ensure that the halal certification process in Malaysia provides the Muslim community with a guarantee of the quality of products and service purchased or used by them, especially that have been imported. Furthermore, Restaurants also need to be halal certified. A halal concept is applied through certification for food products in Malaysia. Most of the restaurants in this country need to have a clear halal logo in front of the restaurant entrance after getting JAKIM approval. With the logo affixed to the restaurant, it proves that the restaurant is not only halal food but also the whole food processing process is halal. In addition, halal restaurants in Malaysia are not allowed to sell products related to pork and alcohol. Next is implementation of halal assurance system. It is essential in order to ensure the effective and efficient production of halal products. The practice of halal assurance system should apply to all processing stages, which from farm to table. This halal assurance system was developed based on 3 zeros concept, which are zero limit, no haram material used in the production, zero defect, no haram product is produced, and zero risk. No disadvantageous risk should be taken by the producer or company. The company need to have guidelines on the halal production process. This is to prevent the occurrence system of case of non-halal products that are certified halal. This halal assurance system helps the entire chain to produce safe and nutritious food products as justified by Islamic law. Statistic of halal food and beverage. Halal is a farm-to-table process that runs through the supply chain, warehousing, transportation, and logistics all play a role in maintaining and demonstrating halal integrity. Foreign progressive food companies have more than 3,500 food companies, with total production exceeding as of $9 billion. Production of halal raw material supply in Malaysia has become rare, especially meat products. Statistics show that as much as 70% of processed foodstuffs are imported from foreign countries. Malaysia's total halal meat production, including poultry, beef and mutton, reached 709,233.6 tons in 1999 and increased to 905,151 tons in 2003. Of that total, 94 to 95% of poultry products are poultry, and the remaining 4 to 5% are ducks. Turkish and quail production is almost non-existent due to lack of demand from Malaysia. On the other hand, Malaysia recorded a halal export value of 40.2 billion ringgit in 2019, a slight increase compared to 40 billion ringgit in the previous year. The value of this export is supported by higher import from the United States of about 4 billion ringgit in imports from Malaysia, compared to 3.7 billion ringgit in 2018. HDC statistics show that in 2019, halal food and beverage maintained its position as a major contributor to the domestic halal economy at 22.5 billion ringgit, while in 2018, halal food and beverage recorded a 20 billion ringgit export value. In 2019, halal ingredients come in at second place after halal food and beverage, with a contribution of 12.64 billion ringgit, while in 2018, it contributed at 14.5 billion ringgit in economy.
Halal industry in Malaysia is growing rapidly due to the high attention and demand among the Muslims. It is not just among Muslims in Malaysia, but also the demand from non-Muslims. The challenges that occur also have shown that it is not easy to certify a product, whether it is halal or not, to be marketed, because it is need to be in some processes before it can be marketed to the Muslim users. Last but not least, the policies that has been created could ensure that products consumed by the Muslim are safe from any haram substances such as pork.